My friend is asking me, she haven't received her EDD card yet, and she have no success in contacting the EDD. So I told her to check it online, but she doesn't know how to do it. It's hard to explain it by phone. So I decided to, make a screen recording for her, and hopefully it will also benefit other people. So here we go. First, you gotta go to prepay.bankofamerica.com/EDD card. So that's the website. Normally, it will take you here. This is the main page. This is what you will see. And then what you're gonna do is go here. Follow my cursor. There. Replace my card. And then type in your social security number. Then the postal code that you sign up. So make sure you know the postal code that you put in, because sometimes people have many addresses. Okay, and then you're gonna click this. You're gonna prove to a robot that you are not a robot. Okay, continue. Okay, so it will say here, your card can only be shipped to the address on file with EDD. You will need to contact them to change it if it's incorrect. See our FAQ for more information. So when you see this message, it means that it's already on its way. It's already in the system. So that's what you will do. But please do not click submit, because it will block the card that they sent you will be blocked. So don't do that. This is just for checking if you are already on the file and they already sent it to you. You're gonna go back to the main page. So that's how you know that your EDD card is already made and you're in the system of Bank of America, and it's on its way. It's gonna take 10 business days. That doesn't include Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So I hope that helps, my friend, and thank you so much for watching.
Feel free to support me in either way. You can buy me a coffee. I will put a link down below. And also support my filmmaking dream come true by contributing to the drone project via paypal.me/marieadventure. So feel free to support me in either way. Thank you so much and see you again.